uh, the company, we already heard her name through EJ's brother, Kuya Gerald Pardo. And he said, there's one leader in New Jersey. I know he started signing up all the way from the Philippines. He saw the opportunity way back in the Philippines, but there's not officially yet open in the USA market, and that they've been looking, waiting to make it happen because people in Malaysia, our partners in Malaysia, they're really particular when it comes to opening a market. But the good news, also at that time, we're able to put together Electric World USA. The good news is, somebody told us, me and EJ, which is Gerald, his brother said, there's leader in New Jersey, and under the name of Carolina Hernandez. And that's the we started, putting in touch with this lady, and how serious she is to make it happen reality here in this East Coast market. And the way we look, her leadership, imagine when did the grand launching in Las Vegas, took a sacrifice and we went to the grand launching in Las Vegas.
That was 2019, December 2019.
And that's how we can tell to the person how dedicated and committed to make it a reality for them. And then, that time also, we already announced also that we have this called the BMW incentives for the leaders. And she's entitled on it, and that's back in 2019. So me and EJ started planning about deserving some individual. And that is the reason also that time we already have awarded 6 BMW when we launched, and then followed by Hawaii, California, and then we know New Jersey, it's about time. That time, 2019, about 2020, early of 2020 to make it happen here in New Jersey. But sad to say, pandemic happened. And that's why the last time Carolina talked to me regarding about the benefits of as a leader opening the market, and I told her, yes, it's long overdue on your car, and you've been deserved to have this. You deserve to have this car. So the person we're about to call, it's a person which is, her commitment and dedication is amazing. Her commitment regarding about opening the market, believe me, it's not that easy. You guys gonna agree with me?
And we believe also the job of a leader, if you call yourself a leader, the job of a leader is eliminate excuses. Am I right? We keep mentioning about pandemic, we keep mentioning about COVID, but some individuals, they call it opportunity. Some people call it a problem, but some people call it opportunity. Some people lost a lot of money during pandemics, but some people make a lot of money during pandemic. Am I right?
Yes.
Because some people willing to what? Eliminate excuses.
And I know a lot of you guys able to believe on her, that's why it become reality here in New Jersey. And we really, from the bottom of my heart, me and EJ would like to say thank you, especially to this young lady, young at heart lady, young lady, because she fully deserved to have this kind of incentives, which is, I know once this thing become reality to her, this is not only the first one we're gonna award, the first BMW, we're gonna be the next. We're going to be the first 5, first 10.
It's like a popcorn effect.
A domino effect. Am I right?
Yes.
You go to Las Vegas. Every time because we have 6 awardees in Las Vegas, and every time somebody go to the office, all these cars parked outside, they thought it's a BMW presentation.
This is the night, right?
This is the night. They thought people working with us, they work at the BMW. They don't know that they are award.
Actually, somebody called me yesterday about if we are working with BMW company. I said,
And so, this actually a person which is the commitment and dedications to make it reality.
and it's not a company car, right?
It's, yeah.
The car is under your name.
So, this is gonna be the beginning of New Jersey. Are you guys ready for that?
Yes.
Are you guys gonna make it happen?
Yes.
I know there's gonna be a lot of people who will say no to you, but we're not looking for everyone. We're just looking for somebody. And you guys are the somebody, which is make it reality to everyone, because now officially we're gonna award the first BMW, and together with the significant other, that's why it become a reality. So you guys excited?
Yes.
So we got the fake key. It's not a fake car, okay?
I have the real key.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think she deserves a standing ovation for our very own leader under the name of Carolina Fernandez.
Diamond Executive,
Diamond Executive.
Carolina Fernandez.
Husband and wife, Diamond Executive. So, congratulations. Officially, we're gonna give you guys the Diamond Executive status. Oh, this is the executive status.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's okay, you can wear it because before you become a Diamond Executive, you become executive. Okay, there you go. Wow, congratulations, Patrick. And these are the trophies of Carolina before when she got awarded in Las Vegas.
Before Carolina do her inspirational speech officially, on behalf of RF3 World Malaysia, Sir Nasri Omar and Sir MV Nisam, on behalf of USA Corporate Office, on behalf of the leadership, on behalf of Alan, we'd like to thank you for all the leadership and dedication and commitment. Officially, we're gonna award the BMW to Carolina. Gusto mo kumanta? Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Actually, again, this is June 25, 2022, and this will not gonna come back, and you guys made this happen. It's true that it's my honor that I'll be the first person to introduce it. It's true that I've been importing products from the Philippines 2017, and the person who introduced this product with me was my co-worker. We sit down together in lunch, and then she likes a lot of she likes networking. That's how she got to know Sir Gerard Pardo, who is the brother of Sir EJ. Okay, so I just like the product. I tried that for my dark spots, and eventually when I was using it, I saw many more benefits, and it just like gave me amazing results. And you know, health is wealth. So I said, oh, I don't mind getting more products from the Philippines in bulk, because I know the reason that I'm getting products in bulk is because to save shipping. All right. So it came to a point where I said, these are so many products. Why would I not just post it in Facebook? And then you know what? I never realized that one person is actually watching me. Right? She said, what is the product that you're saying? And so I talked to him. He was my old neighbor, and then he was the one who introduced me to many other senior citizens who are mostly retired. So from one person, there you are, guys. You are all here. And then another person came along too, okay? So after that, RF3 World came into reality, and I've been seeing Sir Alan and Sir EJ in Zoom, in Facebook, doing these things and that, and I was so curious. I actually asked my sister, Carmelita, because there was a grand opening before, and I did not actually, I cannot go home. So I said, can you please attend the grand launching in the Philippines? And she was so excited and all that. And then she described Sir EJ and Sir Alan, and they said, oh, they're funny guys. Really? So from then on, I said, when can I meet them? When can I meet them? That is the one when they said that they're gonna be opening RF3 World USA in Las Vegas, I said, I'm gonna meet them soon. So this is my third time of meeting them, and you know what? Yeah, this is my third time of meeting them, and I know that I'm gonna be meeting them most often. Okay, so the training later on, we're gonna tell you on. I mean, actually, they were the ones who told me also to. From their speeches, I realized that I can do this. Before, I only have very simple goals in life. You know, like as for instance, I've been seeing a lot of senior citizens who will be like, after they're senior, what would they do? They're gonna be doing some fundraising, which is not bad, dancing thing, and they have this beautiful gown. I tried that before, but it does not fit me. I said no, I don't really feel happy about it. And then Patrick has been asking me. I mean, he's like he's just like observing me all the time. Like he was actually encouraging me to become a nurse, which I can do also, or into real estate agent, I can do also, right? So, but then, so I was like having second thought of which one to do, this one or this one. Then when I saw this opportunity, I said, I don't have to like have second thought. I'm just gonna do RF3. You know why? Because the thing that I've been seeing in you guys and all of these beautiful things, these benefits that the product has been done, it makes me feel happy. And I said, oh my God, you know, this is it. It's not just, it makes us way a lot healthy and way a lot wealthy. Okay, so I'm not gonna be having a long story about this because we guys are hungry already.
I think we have a free lunch, right? But
Yeah.
Patrick, would you like to say anything?
All I'd say is that I'm very proud of her. She's an inspiration to all of us, you know, and hopefully we can all do as well as she does.
No.
So I know to see is to believe. We got a big key right here. And
One moment,
official key right here.
before, can I ask somebody to take a picture?
Oh,
Sure.
You don't mind?
everybody.
And then I know the real car is outside, right?
Can you
Yeah.
show
I
me?
saw that already.
Sure, sure.
After lunch, we can go and see.
There you go.
Okay, one more.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I think officially we need to see the car, and officially you need to start the car.
Maybe it will like.
So while let me know if it's ready on the. So 5 minutes, guys. This is what's gonna happen. So we're gonna go outside just to officially see the car, and then after that we're gonna go back and have lunch. You guys are lucky you have a free lunch. They don't, you know, in others in Las Vegas they
If
don't.
Alan mentioned we go to Texas, we pay our airfare, we pay the hotel, we pay the food,
Yes.
and everything, just to learn. In here,
You guys are old.
full. But we will teach you later on the tax benefits of doing this kind of.
And we're gonna show you guys everything, how to do it. The moment you go outside this